You gotta watch what I say. Dude, you got tranny fluid all over my car. It's like coming back from Vegas all over again.
Yeah. Fluids everywhere. The extra shocks. Like it's these. I don't think they're gonna go bad, but
I don't want any of it.
I sort of want to give you everything. This is why I have so much stuff laying around the house. Because I save stuff like this.
Kid at work was like, dude, I was looking up your buddy's channel. Yeah. He's like, because I just bought a 6.7 Power Stroke.
Really?
Yeah.
My channel's about to be a lot more Power Stroke. We're fading fast on content. Everything's leaving. And with that being said, guys, don't forget, you got 2 days left. Ah, I just ripped a bag of Fritos open. 2 days left on the OBS giveaway. Alright, good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. So I'm making this video because number one, you know, I'm trying to stay up to date with you guys, keep you guys informed. And number two, the guy who actually is about to be here, my buddy Holden, he actually has been in a video before. So I am making this video today because number one, I'm kind of putting Holden on blast. He actually bought the Suburban. You obviously don't see it right now, but we're gonna get into that, guys. As you see, you know, he's pulled up in it already, but I got to get some things out of it and everything, and we're gonna actually talk to him a little bit. We're gonna put him on the spot. He already said he's camera shy. He's, you know, he's been in a couple videos talking. When we did the tug of war video, he was there for that, so he's definitely shy about it. He was like, I'm never talking on YouTube again. So Holden, I'm calling you out. Here's his link to his Instagram on the bottom of the screen, but definitely check him out. So we're gonna roll the footage from today. I got to get some stuff out of the Suburban. That's why he's bringing it back. I let him take it the other day. I didn't have time to clean it out. Had some things going on with family and all that. So Holden, I hope you're enjoying the truck, and here's the footage from today. Yeah, guys, I wanted to say too, I got a GoPro set up here waiting for Holden to come. You know, like I said, he said he was like laughing, saying how he doesn't like to be on film. He doesn't like the way his voice sounds and everything like that, but we're gonna capture some of the things he's gonna say, and it's gonna be real stuff. He doesn't know that I'm doing this. So Holden, again, I'm sorry buddy, but you know, I gotta lead you over here and I gotta talk to you on the deck here just so we can get your reaction here. But let me get my trash and everything out. That's actually what I was doing right now before he shows up. Before we kick this video off, as you can tell, we have 2 days left. That's right, only 2 days left for the giveaway to be over, and I'm actually kind of really sad now at this point, but I'm also excited to be able to hand one of you guys the title and the keys to this truck. So again, www.senditstevemerch.com, use the promo code final5, get you 5% off, 5 times the entries, free shipping to win this beautiful OBS truck. Now again, guys, I know you guys hate the merge plugs and everything, but I appreciate everybody for standing with me for the merge plugs and everything. This was an amazing thing. I wanted to do it before Christmas. I wanted to get it out there, and hopefully I can actually get this thing delivered. Hopefully whoever wins it, our schedules link up and I can get this delivered before Christmas. That is my ultimate goal. I don't know how long it's going to take with the sweepstakes company, but we'll figure that out when it comes. But again, guys, www.senditstevemerch.com. Get your entries in now. You have 2 days left. Literally ends December 16th at 12 o'clock, 11:59.59 p.m. So get your entries in while it lasts. This is going to be a fun video, so stay tuned for the giveaway video. And let's roll the footage from today. Well, about 2 hours later, he finally showed up, and now it's raining again. What do we got here? Your butt crack?
Shut up.
Oh, but like I said, I still got to get my stuff out of it, and he's got a hitch for it, because as you guys do know, this did not have a hitch on it, so we got to get that taken care of. But first things first, we got to get my stuff out of here. At least they gave you like the bolts and stuff with this.
Yeah, he had everything.
That's sort of nice. This carpet back here, yeah, definitely get something to put down because a freaking transmission rolled over on me. Okay. So like this back thing back here has tranny fluid on it. You know what I mean? I don't want to see you put something.
Say that on film.
Okay, I will. It is. He's like, say it on film. Just drop it everything. Don't worry, I record everything, so it is on film.
Oh, great. Now I gotta watch what I say. Dude, you got tranny fluid all over my car. It's like coming back from Vegas all over again.
Yeah. Fluids everywhere. But yeah, like a transmission rolled over. Like, that's why that whole thing there is red. It's like soaking up the transmission fluid.
What if I rip the carpet out?
It's the whole cart the whole way through.
I cut it.
No. If anything, just
It's
get like
mine.
It's okay, mine. Cut it out then.
I know you're attached.
I am attached. Don't cut it. Don't cut it out. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Honestly, like, and I'm not even like joking. When you drove off yesterday, I was in my feelings. That's what I called. I don't think you were gone 30 seconds before I called.
You called literally right down the street.
Yeah. I was like, dang.
It looks so good driving down the road.
It does look good. It is a good looking truck.
I agree.
For the money. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're not going to find anything better looking for the money.
Absolutely not. That's why I took you up on it.
Definitely.
Send it, Steve. Comes through.
You made me sell it. I wasn't really going to sell it. I was hoping you were joking. He was not joking.
We're going to put some lights on the back of this bad boy.
Oh, yeah. Well, you might as well tell the channel while I'm putting this stuff in the house. You might as well tell the channel what you decide to do to it. I'm definitely making him do bumpers. We're doing well together bumpers.
All right.
Like steel bumpers. Like
I love it.
with winches.
I'm thinking bumpers. I'm thinking all around lights on top. Sides, front and back. I'm going to do kind of like a zombie apocalypse top with a cage up there. I want a full spare as well. Yo, we need to get a full spare. Definitely thinking a full spare. And I told Steve I'd be careful on it, but I'm gonna definitely take the same mudding this weekend.
Everyone thinks it's easy to talk to a GoPro. Is it easy?
I don't know. I don't think it is. I probably sound like an idiot like I did in the last video.
You did not sound like an idiot.
Yes, I did.
See, I told you guys he was gonna say that. You just were a newbie. You can't be shy. Just go in guns a-blazing.
Guns blazing.
You just go till the going gets going,
What is this?
and then you back out.
OBD 2 port.
No, that's not as important.
Brand new in the box. I'll give it to you for free.
Definitely. I don't even know what this is to actually, but I bought it. Probably one of my vehicles, and that's probably why the engine light was on 90% of them. I like to buy everything and pretend like I'm gonna fix it all.
I'm gonna set everything here for you because I don't know what you want.
Don't bring the beer bottles back.
You want
in.
this?
Guys, I can explain. It involves Andy Diablo Formula Racing.
And it's completely full.
It is. That's the weird part involving Andy.
Also, we're gonna put a little stereo in, just a little one. Oh, I might as well put that back there while
Oh, he brought some beats with him.
Yeah.
He brought his Beats by Dre.
Definitely throw that in as soon as my head unit gets here because Amazon is slacking heavily.
Definitely.
I brought this. You gotta make power. What a great day to do stuff outside when it's pouring. Super. Yeah, so anyway, the project is gonna continue. We're gonna do more stuff to this vehicle. Thinking about, I need a spare tire. I want a full spare tire. I want a rack on top, a big rack with lights the whole way around. What else? Lights all the way around.
Nice.
Rack up top, full spare.
Full spare.
We're gonna put the speaker in.
I'd like to do lights like, I don't know if you said it, but I'd like to do like lights leaning forward on one switch, lights on the rear one switch, lights on each side, different switches.
Yeah.
Just kind of do like a recovery type vehicle out of it. Something gnarly.
Yeah.
Trash bag for you. I'm kind of sad, but I'm also excited because it's leaving, but it's not really leaving.
I mean, it's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Because I'm always gonna call you when I need something fixed.
Definitely. Let's hope it doesn't need anything fixed, but
It won't.
I mean, it could. I hope it does, actually, because then it's content.
It might after I take it mudding this weekend.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, if you need a recovery vehicle, we do have the F450 up and running. 4-wheel drive is working. Or if you do it in the next 2 days, we've got the OBS. We can come get you. Definitely.
Or we could just take them all out for a little fun.
Take them all out. The heck with it.
I'm done with this.
I'm done with the rain too.
Sick of it.
All right, well, there you guys have it. We did actually end up selling the Urban Bourbon, and Holden's the new owner. So his Instagram will be on the screen as you see it. And this is sort of a bittersweet day, to say the least. It's kind of depressing. My fleet is actually diminishing. Legitimately, all we have left is, well, that leaves in 2 or 3 days. We have the Mustang left. We have the F450. And that's basically it. I mean, yeah. So there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. I'm gonna go in here and dry off. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one. It kind of drives me crazy that my kids put the lights there. Like, why didn't you just finish out that little strand? I don't know. But again, guys, it is a bittersweet ending to that chapter. Like I said, it's definitely going to be a better move for us, a better solution, and it's because we have some big things in the making, guys. Like, I'm excited about this. You know, I can't really release what's going on, but we have some big plans that we're doing here and that are coming up very, very soon. So we're kind of selling off some projects, selling off some things, and it's only going to benefit us, you know, me, you guys, everybody in the long run. So, you know, I know you might be sad about the Urban Bourbon. You might have been here for the Urban Bourbon, but like I said, we're going to build custom bumpers for that. We're going to do kind of like a recovery theme for it. That thing's going to be actually pretty cool when it's all said and done. Unfortunately, I can't really do any kind of crazy content for you guys today, or, you know, lately I've been kind of doing my moves, my power moves, and trying to get myself into a better, you know, I don't want to say financial standing, but myself in a better standing all around. So like I was saying, guys, we're definitely not, you know, we're not done seeing the Urban Bourbon. The Urban Bourbon is going to stay around. We're going to do some more things. I got to kind of tighten up some corners on the wrap and everything. After I tighten up some of the corners on the wrap, we're going to do our bumpers, our lighting, and everything like that. We're going to actually make that thing really, really cool. And, you know, like I said, if you want to follow Holden, head on over to his channel. Definitely check him out. And, you know, we got some pretty big things coming, guys. So the changes that you guys are seeing here now are going to actually really show in the next month or so. So I hope you guys can understand. I hope you guys can stay tuned, and I hope you guys also enjoy the content. I know this has kind of like been boring content lately. Some of you, most of you actually enjoy the how-tos, and I'm going to get back into the how-tos. But like I said, we're moving some things around here so that we can do things in a lot more sufficient manner, and a lot more, you know, cost effective for me.